Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, guys, I'm going to show you how I take my videos and how I upload them to YouTube, and maybe there'll be a little tips, tricks, or secrets you may be able to pick up for yourself, or if you've never done this before ever in your life, this could be almost like a step-by-step guide or something that you can follow to get yourself familiarized with YouTube. So stick around, it's going down right now. All right, guys. You should be on a home page right here. Your channel will be written right here. Over here in the upper right hand corner where it says create, you want to click on this. You want to click on upload videos. You want to go ahead and select the file, open. Here we go. As we are doing that, I'm going to go ahead and copy this title. This is one of the most important things you can do first and foremost is you want to be able to copy the title and put that as the first thing that you see in the description. There we go. Then the next thing you want to do as an affiliate marketer is you want to go ahead and put in whatever link that you think is the most important for your affiliate program, the one that makes the most sense for everything that you are doing here for their online program. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on over here, and I am going to scroll down. And I'm going to find the landing page that I feel as though has the best affiliate link for what I am looking for. Since I was talking about the marketplace and I was talking about everything like Amazon, I'm going to go ahead and use this one. Copy. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste this right in here. There we go. And that way, a direct link to our marketplace like Amazon, somebody can go ahead and check right out to the clothing line. They'll be able to check out all that stuff, and I was just mentioning that before. Now, in the description, I want to go ahead and use ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and click on ChatGPT. Here it is, some of the information I was working on. Now with ChatGPT, right here, I want to go ahead and write me a video description with SEO to words in it to help rank higher on YouTube using the above information. Out of it for too long, and I have to go ahead and refresh. All right, using ChatGPT is super important. I want to go ahead and click right back where I was working on this information before. Now I'm going to ask it to write me a YouTube video description. Actually, I'm going to ask it to write me a video description with SEO words to help rank higher on YouTube using the above previous using the above information. Now, while ChatGPT does its thing right here, it's going to go ahead and take that information above. It's going to summarize it into a description that's going to help rank higher for your videos. This is one of the key things that you can do for yourself to help leverage AI technology and how create yourself as more of a specialist in the field, more of a professional, as they say. So I'm going to copy that information. I'm going to go ahead and come over here. I'm going to click right in here. We're going to go ahead and paste in all of our descriptions. No problem. I'm going to take out the word description actually. Certainly don't need that. I'm going to go ahead down here. I'm going to double check something real quick. Don't need this either. There we are. Now I have that. I want to search for a key term. In this case is affiliate marketing. That's very important. Our thumbnail. We're going to go ahead and upload a thumbnail. All right. Let's see. Is this the right one? Nope. It's going to be the next one. What's this one? It's going to delete this real quick. It's a long title, so it's hard to see which one is which. But this is the right one right here. Now we got our thumbnail in there. That's fantastic. Right here, the playlist. Sure, I want to add it to our online business app playlist. That's also a very important thing that you can do as well. I'm going to come down here. It's not made for kids, no. Does my video contain content for our paid sponsorship? Every single time you do a video, you should click this every single time. Whether you feel as though your video has that information or not, it is absolutely a best case practice to click it, so that way there is no confusion about anything about your video, and also it will help the YouTube algorithm make sure that it understands what you are trying to do as well to get you in front of the right people. Now we want to go ahead and add some tags. So one of the things that I do sometimes for tags is I open up another YouTube and I go back to one of my previous videos that I know I've already done a bunch of tags for. And I want to go ahead and copy some of this information here to help make life a lot faster and easier. This is just something that I do right here. These tags are copied, and I want to go back over here. Go ahead and add a tag, and I'm going to paste these tags in. That's great. Decent. I'm going to go ahead and paste that tag in there too, and I am going to go ahead and remove one of these. So that way we make sure that all the characters fit. There we are. Beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and scroll down here as well. The language. We want to make sure you have your language out there. It's unique that you can do it in so many different languages, which is absolutely amazing for everybody all over the world, as everybody should have access to information like this and give everybody a voice. Today is the date that I did this right here is 4/23. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and keep scrolling down. I'm going to go ahead and have a real life application. That would probably be the best for this category. I'm going to not hold all inappropriate comments for review, I guess. Right there, I usually like to allow all comments right now so that nothing gets held back. If I notice that there will be a bunch of inappropriate comments, then I may go ahead and change that in the future. But as of right now, I like to do that. Another unique thing that I like to do is to go back to the description. And I want to go back up into my other description, because at the bottom of my videos, I traditionally, and I didn't do it on this video, like to put some additional information for people to go ahead and reach out. So I want to go ahead and click on this one. And I'm going to grab some of my tagged information right here. Copy this. Let's try this again, huh? All right. I got a real touchy mouse pad here. For some reason, I still like using a mouse pad. I'm down here. Go ahead and paste this in. Much better. Much better. Much, much better. All right, that looks good right there. That's fine. Just kind of double checking everything. Right there, go ahead and click next. I'm going to add an end screen, yes. I want my end screen to look just like this. Go ahead and save it. I don't want to add these right now. Subtitles. I have too many things that already pop up. It might get a little confusing. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. No issues found for copyrights. Go ahead and click next. I want to save or publish the file. So right now is actually a very good time for me to publish for this day because it happens to be 7:43. It's kind of right in that time. I wonder if I should publish it at 8 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule this. Today is April 23rd, so I'm going to go backwards in time. I'm going to go ahead and put this at 8 p.m. By scrolling down here, just like this. Just about there. 8 o'clock. Let's set as premiere. See if anybody checks it out right beforehand. This thing's going to be jumping on right now, 8 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and schedule that. Your video is scheduled at today at 8 p.m. Well, it's that easy, folks. That's right. You got to check it out. You kind of see everything that I just went through. Go ahead and getting everything together for this video tonight. So hopefully these little things here on the YouTube channel may help you out. Certainly I didn't want it to be more of a tutorial, but more of just kind of seeing what I do and so forth. And hopefully these things can help each and every one of you, regardless of what you are doing, being able to maybe upload some stuff in the videos. Now, there are a few other things that I would do normally that we get into in maybe a different video is like using tools like, say, vidIQ here, where we can look through keywords and things of that nature and go ahead and try to make the video as best as possible through the keyword tags. But I've already done that kind of research in the past on another video that had very specific information that was pertinent to this kind of information. That's why I was able to go ahead and copy those to save time, because you have so much more stuff to do in life and you want to be able to go ahead and take that time for yourself to go ahead and do more research, better content, or go ahead and enjoy life and do something else that you have to do. So I appreciate your time. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening. Hope this little video was help. If you did get any kind of fun out of this, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the big dog. And I will holla at you back in the DMs after you hit me up down there. Till next time, I guess, have a good night.